Is your Hyundai i30's alarm driving you crazy with false triggers? The most common culprits are the interior sensor, the bonnet switch, and a weak battery. The interior sensor, a motion detector inside the car, can be overly sensitive due to loose wiring, electromagnetic interference, or just poor calibration. The bonnet switch, located under the hood, detects if the hood is opened. Corrosion, misalignment, or damage can cause it to falsely signal an intrusion. Finally, a weak or dying 12-volt battery can lead to erratic sensor behavior and trigger the alarm, as sensors need stable power. Battery issues are especially common in colder climates. First, check your battery's voltage with a multimeter. If it's below 12.4 volts, consider replacing it. A weak battery is often the root cause. Next, try resetting the alarm system's ECU by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, recalibrate the sensors by pressing the lock-unlock buttons on your key fob 3 times. Finally, inspect the bonnet switch for corrosion or damage. Clean or replace it as needed. For the interior sensor, you may be able to temporarily disable it via an OBD2 scanner. Remember, these simple fixes can often resolve the issue and save you a trip to the mechanic. If problems persist, consult a professional for further diagnostics.